Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to set up a Sintra AI employee in 2025. Sintra AI can automate various tasks, making it an incredible tool for businesses looking to improve efficiency. Whether you're looking to automate customer service, sales, or other internal tasks, this guide will help you set it up easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Create an account. To begin, head over to the Sintra AI website and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide some essential business information, such as your company name, address, and business type. Once you're signed up, select the plan that best suits your business needs, whether you're a small business or an enterprise. Step 2. Select your employee role. Once you're logged in, go to the Employee Setup section in the dashboard. Here, you'll choose the type of employee you want to create. Whether it's an assistant, customer support, or a sales representative, the choice is yours. Define the specific tasks and responsibilities this AI employee will handle to ensure it fits perfectly with your needs. Step 3. Customize your employee's profile. Next, you can customize your AI employee's profile. Upload a profile picture and set the personality traits. Whether you want the AI to be friendly, professional, or formal, you have full control. You can also choose the language and tone it will use when communicating with customers or your team. Step 4. Set up AI learning and training. Provide Sintra AI with data to train it. This could be past emails, support tickets, or other relevant business communications. You'll also have the option to fine-tune AI responses to match your desired style and accuracy. Set up predefined responses for frequently asked questions, or let the AI learn from live interactions to improve over time. Step 5. Connect with workflows. Now it's time to integrate Sintra AI with your business tools. Connect it to your CRM, project management software, and email platforms. This will ensure seamless communication between the AI employee and your team, making it even more efficient in handling tasks. Step 6. Test and monitor. Before going live, test the AI employee by running simulations or using real-time interactions. Monitor its performance and check the accuracy of its responses. If needed, adjust settings or workflows to ensure it's working perfectly. Step 7. Activate your employee. Once you're happy with the setup, activate your Sintra AI employee and integrate it into your daily business operations. Make sure to monitor its performance regularly and tweak the workflows as necessary to keep things running smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Sintra AI employee. With its ability to automate various tasks, Sintra AI can greatly streamline your operations and improve productivity in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.